This is an overview of what we have learned in our first unit about telling a story from a graph. These are the time to climb questions. Starting off, and then we'll do the group work. The turtle's journey is how many seconds long? So looking at our domain here, the x values are measured in seconds. And it looks like our journey starts at 0 seconds and ends at this point here, which is 12 seconds. Question 2, how far away from the water did the turtle get? So the turtle starts off being 0 feet away from the water. The turtle ends up here, and the y value there is 11 feet. The turtle gets 11 feet away from the water. As the time increases, the turtle's distance from the water tends to blank, increase. So as time increases, the distance tends to increase as well. Is the turtle walking toward the water or away from the water when the turtle's moving? So this is the distance from the water. The turtle starts out 0 feet away from the water. So the turtle here, here's our little turtle, is in the water. And then the distance is getting bigger over time, right? So at this point, he's 1 feet away from the water. Here, he's 2 feet away. Then let's see, here he's 4 feet away. Here he's 6 feet away. So his distance is increasing away from the water. So your answer is away. What does the coordinate 4, 2 mean in the context of the turtle's journey? So when we list a coordinate pair, we always list x first and then y. So 4, 2 is this point here, and the 4 is talking about the time. So at 4 seconds, the turtle is, and then the 2 represents the number of feet. So 2 feet away from the water. How many times does the turtle stop? So that means that the rate of change is 0. It's not moving at all. So I see a rate of change of 0 here because time is moving, but the distance is staying at 2 feet. Here's another interval that the turtle has stopped. Time is moving, but the distance is staying at 11 feet. So the turtle stops twice. When the turtle stops for the first time, how long does he stop for? So this first time looks like it started at 2 seconds and ends at 4 seconds. So from 2 to 4 seconds, 2 seconds have gone by. So he stops for 2 seconds. Last question of the time to climb part. Which of these stories matches the graph? The answer is going to be story A. So the turtle started walking away from the water at a speed of 1 foot per second. So here, this point is 1 foot in 1 second. 1 foot, 1 second. And he does that for 2 seconds. Great. Then he stops to catch his breath for 2 seconds. So that's here. These 2 seconds where the time is moving, but the distance is staying at 2 feet. Then he walks at a speed of 2 feet per second for the next 4.5 seconds. So that's, let's see, up 2 feet in a second, 2 feet in a second, 2 feet in a second, 2 feet in a second for the next 4.5 seconds. So here's that little half there. Great. Then finally he stopped again when he was 11 feet away. And that's this part right here. Story B, the only thing that's different is that it says that he stopped for 2 seconds to catch his breath and then continued walking at the same speed for the next 4.5 seconds. But this green interval here has a rate of change of 2 feet per second, while the first red interval here had a rate of change of only 1 foot per second. So he is walking quicker after he stops the first time.